Do you lack faith in God and yourself? You are not sure of your spirituality. You lack self-confidence. You don't even know if you should continue to believe God as if God exists or not. You've been praying. You are doubtful that your prayers are not answered. You want to improve in your self-confidence. You want to improve in your spiritual matters. I can help you. I specialize in spiritual coaching. My name is Josephine. I'm a transformational coach. I'm a board certified Christian life coach. All you need to do is give me a call on 404-590-8414 or send me an email at learnwithjoes@gmail.com, or better still, check my website, learnwithjoes.com. This is a better way, 13. You can learn more. Unlock your spiritual transformation. Unlock your personal and professional transformation. Love yourself correctly. Have a blessed day.